In front of me is POCO F8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, don't worry, I got you. Just click on this gear one instead. Choose the voice typing section available here and click on gray switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. When your switcher is blue, you can come back and tap on no visible microphone. Then hit while using the app in the pop-up if you never used it before and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or operate the same microphone. And now my favorite part. Most people miss that when you click on your microphone, you can see a tiny icon on the left of it. Do that and tap on the icon. Then hit next. Select Done and enjoy using voice typing from your toolbar. To move it around, hold it, drag it whenever you want to and wherever you want to, and let go. To enable or disable voice typing, use the same microphone. To delete text on the go, use this button with an X. To get access to some settings, click on those three lines at the bottom left corner. Check out all of those. And last but not least, to go back to standard keyboard, use keyboard icon also on the left. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!